Are we rolling? Are we rolling? Okay, we're rolling.
Listen.
Do you see this? Do you see this? This is a mess. It looks crazy, but I promise I know exactly where everything is. It just looks a mess. And so we're gonna get that together. This is the project at hand, organizing all of this. So to help us with our project today, I picked up some things from Dollar Tree, all $1.25. So I highly encourage you guys, if you are working on a project such as this, organizing and getting things together, go to the Dollar Tree and see what you can find first, or go to Walmart to see what you can find first at an affordable price, and then go to Amazon. You know what I mean? However, I know that we are in the age of online shopping, so I will have similar items linked in my Amazon storefront for those that are not privy to going to the store or shopping in store. Anyways, so I got a few canisters here to fill like high volume items like my rice, pasta, flour, things of that nature, and these scoops because I'm working on portion control. And then I have these canisters for airtight canisters for my brown sugar and my regular sugar, because you know that I'm drying out and stuff like that. Anyways, wire racks, I re-upped on some seasonings that I'm out of. And then I got these organizers with lids because I drink tea often. So I have a lot of tea actually. And so I bought 3 of them. I bought these. These are actually from Amazon. They are empty spice jars. And it comes in a pack of 36. I needed 36 because I season my food. I season my food, not heavy with salt, but packed with flavor. It also comes with labels. So you got the white labels, you can choose to do the black labels, or you know, these, the circular labels. But this is the list of all the spices that have stickers. It also comes with a funnel, which was really convenient, because trying not to spill everything is a hassle for me, because I have, you know, undiagnosed ADHD. So we're first going to start off by taking off all of the labels from the canisters, because we don't need it. You know what I mean? We don't need it to say candy jar. We need it to say rice. So I'm taking it all off. It's very easy to take off. Sometimes like the labels will get real stubborn and leave like residue behind. Nothing a little oil and soap and water won't help. So not the case. We're just taking off all of the labels. And you know, never in a million years I would have thought to organize a spice cabinet. Growing up, that's not something that we did. Mind you, organization is something that we didn't have either. We worked with dysfunction, tell you the truth. Like we thrived on dysfunction. It doesn't mean we were discombobulated. Look at me using all these hard words, but it just means like when things were dysfunctional, we knew still where everything was. We knew our role. We knew how to get it done, etc., etc. But I'm trying to organize things and make it a little bit more, you know, a little bit more me. I don't have to live in dysfunction anymore. You know what I mean? Shout out to the come up. You just put it inside like this. Look at that. See? Easy. Boom. Put the lid on. You got a rice container. Yeah, that's fine. Chasey. Alright, so if you're just like me, you need a stepping stool to get up and get stuff, then welcome. You are not judged here. I'm going to grab everything from the top. And geez, how did I get up there? I have these brown gravy mix, fish seasoning, Caribbean seasoning, turmeric. I got all kinds of stuff. Self-rising flour. I don't know if you guys see my butt, but stay focused. So I'm gonna put in this here, you know, all of my little box filled things that I feel like shouldn't even be in canisters or a particular type of way. You know what I mean? Like breadcrumbs. These are things that I'm just gonna take out when it's special occasions. It's not something that's every day that's coming in and out of these cabinets. And you know, like the baking soda and what else, like the extra brown sugar that I already had bottled. Okay, right here in these, and then I have my other white sugar, or that's like a 0-calorie sugar, and then my brown sugar. Anybody else eat this bread just like that, plain, straight out the package? Or am I just greedy? Okay, top 2 shells, good to go. Now let's tackle this. The reveal, you guys. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed just spending time with me. I miss long formatted videos because people's attention spans is like that. It's so hard to enjoy doing long formatted videos, but I'm gonna get back into the groove of things because you know what, I like to talk. I like to talk, and this is one of the example of the content that I'm going to start posting because I enjoy it. I really love showing you how I do things for less, how I put things together, because I'm really good at it. And I hope you guys enjoy it too. There will be Hawaii vlogs, there will be Hawaii content coming up, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back.